I've been using my BR800 to record some songs that include some fiddle tracks, and I tend to find that I can't ever just do it in one take. So I'm going to show you how to use the virtual track, the V track. Here we go, I'll show you now. So here's my trusty BR800 machine, and what I've got here is a recording that I'm working on of The Deserter, which is a traditional song. You probably know it if you're into Fairport Convention. They did a version of it, and I'm having a little go at doing a rendition of my own. So I'll just show you what we're doing here and go back to 0. So we've got a little bit of mandolin on track 1, so it's there like that, and then we've got a bit of fiddle singing going on track 2. But such is the nature with recording the fiddle, tend to want to do more than one recording. So without having to keep scrapping your recordings and going back constantly, it can be a little bit exhausting. So they've got this great little button here called the track button. So we'll go into the track button and I'll show you what this does. So track, then you get your menu of different things. You've got your pan, your EQ, your reverb, chorus delay, and then you've got these other buttons down here, the track edit. What we're going to have a look at is the V track button, which it stands for virtual track. So we're going to enter there. Then what we've got here is we've got track 1 and track 2, and as you can see, the little box at the top is filled. We go across there, and then these other little boxes have just got like a little line, and so all your other tracks are empty. They've not got recordings, as we can see. The first track 1 and track 2 is corresponding with what you've got on your light up display, your play button, like so. And then underneath all these tracks, you've got these little dots. Now this is all the virtual tracks that you can use to do a recording. So you can actually do, I think it's 8 recordings of a track, and then you can pick which one you feel is the best one to go in your final version. Now how that works is, so we're happy with the mandolin track, so we are dealing with track 2 because that's the fiddle singing. And what we can do is we go down, right, that'll go down, and see the little line goes down onto the next track. You can go all the way down, you can go down as many tracks as you like. Record it any way you want to. I tend to do it just in order until I'm happy with the recording that I've got. So I'm just going to put it onto virtual track 2 of track 2, and that's ready to go. So then we just exit and exit again. And now if we go back over here, you can see we're all ready to go on track 2. The play button's gone off because there's nothing there to record over, and you're just ready to record on track 2. So we can have another take of doing that fiddle singing. Okay, so as I was walking along the Radcliffe Highway, recruiting party getting, I beat in my way. They enlisted me and treated me till I did not know. And to the Queen's Palace they asked me to go. Now that recording's done, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the recording machine, show you how it worked. Go back over to our BR800. So I'm just going to have a little listen to that recording. So let's just put that back to 0. Turn our recording level down because I've got the headphones on and the speakers on. So you can have a little listen. The speakers are on now. Okay, so we just play that and we should hear it from the beginning. I'm going to record that. There you go. So it sounds pretty good. Go into track. It's great this, so you can literally flick between the virtual track 1 and virtual track 2. So go back there. So it's going back onto virtual track 1 now. And so, like I said before, you could do as many recordings as you like. Go right the way around, do the full 8 recordings, and then just literally see which one you think sounds better. It's great. It's a great little tool that you can use. There we go.